Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's look I completed with the BPERFECT Carnival palette, and honestly guys, this palette is so pretty. Like, you guys need to buy this palette, honestly, truthfully. So if you'd like to see how I created today's look with the BPERFECT Carnival palette, just keep on watching. So I started off priming my eyelids with the P. Louise base in Rumor 2 and my beauty blender, and then I took the Moda crease smudge brush and the BPERFECT Carnival palette, and I took the shade Mint. And first I started packing that only in the inner corner of my eye, and I just packed it and slowly blended it upwards, but mostly I'm focusing on just packing it to really get that intense color. Once again, just blending it back and forth up. Then I went in with the Shadow Sky, and I put that in the middle, and once again I packed the color first, and then I slowly just windshield wiper motions and blending it upwards, but mostly we're trying to blend it into the other color. Then I went in with the Shadow Mood, and I did that on the outer corner of my eye, and once again packing it in a V shape and just making sure that it all blends. So I'm doing windshield wiper motions and just going back and forth with the colors to make them blend nicely, dragging that mood color all the way through, and then blending it upwards with the Mint and Sky color. Just going back and forth with each color to make it more intense and blending it all together. Blues are kind of hard to blend, so you gotta just really work with it with different types of them. So now I went back in with Mood, and I focused this more on the outer corner of my eye, just to darken it up to give it depth. And I did it in the front as well, because when we cut the crease, we still want to see the darkness to the gradient. Once again, I went back in and I blended it out with the color Mint and Sky. Then I went in with the P. Louise base in 0 and a flat Pro Shader brush to cut my crease. So like always, I placed it down. I overcut it just a little bit because I realized that overcutting my crease higher than what my crease is makes my eyes look bigger and makes them look better. As you see, I'm going back in just to overcut my crease and really give it the round shape that I want. Then I went in with the smudge part of the other side of the brush, and I went in with the Shadow Moony, and I just packed that color only in the inner corner. Then I went in with the Shadow Breezy and Moony, and I put that in the middle and just flipped the brush back and forth to blend it with the first shimmer we put down. So we're going for like a gradient look for the shimmers as well. Then I went in with the Shadow Recharge, which is a darker shimmer, and I placed that in the outer corner and kind of blended it into the dark blue that I have in the outer. Then I went with the black liquid eyeliner and just placed the line over my eye. I didn't do a wing. Then I took Mood again, the dark blue, and I mixed it in with a little bit of black eyeshadow just to give it more depth and really like blend the liquid eyeliner. And then I went back with the blue and really blended it out. Now with my eyelashes, I placed them down. I used the Kiss 24-hour glue, and honestly, it really does work for 24 hours. Your eyelashes won't move. And that's the finished look.